Hey guys, hello, how are you doing? Hi Sahil, hello Shivangi. Welcome to a session. Hi Aradhya, hi Nihira, how have you been? Ma'am is amazing, how are you? Yes, good afternoon Sahil, hi Sharwin, hi Tushar, hi Ankit, hi Raghav, Payal. Aradhya. Chalo, so let's start the session, guys. Welcome to your chemistry session on the chemical reactions and the equations. Ankit, please don't spam in the session. This is a humble request from you. Okay, so I have observed that you keep on spamming quite frequently. So please note that point. Okay, so guys, again, I would like to welcome you all to your chemistry session. Let's maintain a healthy environment in the class. Good afternoon, Poonam. Good afternoon. How are you? Everything is good. So you guys have celebrated your Rakhi festival. Hello Tripura. Yes, Yug. I'll tell you why is this course actually there. Okay, so yes, I want to know from you that how many of you are from the 10th standard. Okay, so are you from 9? Ankit, if you are gonna send the same message again, Sai Ankit, this is the last warning to you. I will block you for the rest of the sessions. Okay, so in every class you keep on spamming, and I cannot tolerate that in my class. Let me tell you very clearly. Okay, what gift you got from your brother? Oh my god. So yes, acha, I want to know whether you are from the 9th standard or you guys are from the 10th standard. Let me just create a poll. Yes, guys, spamming in Shilpi ma'am's classes not allowed, hai na? You know that. Okay, what gift you got? I am not gonna tell you. I am not gonna tell you what I got. Acha, you're from students are here from the 8th standard as well, huh? Okay, chalo, let me create one more option then. In that case, we should have the another option. Are you from 9th class? Are you from 10th class? Or you are from 8th standard? Okay, I guess we can keep these things. And again, I will be creating a hotspot. Go for it. Yes, it's I'm from LKG. Yes, Amu, I remember you. How are you? Okay, so yes, mark your answers. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Okay. So I guess you all have given your answers, and I can see that I am from 10th. I am gonna select the 10th standard. Guess what? Ma'am is from the Adi. Hello, baby. I'm not ignoring you. Hi, Samisha. Okay, so yes, let's begin the session. Let me see if why there is no class teacher. Okay, I'll just go and inform the team that we don't have any class teacher. Just give me a second. Yes. Wait a minute. I have to recheck why we don't have it. Refresh it. Maybe we will get a teacher soon. Maybe we will get the teacher soon. Okay, so what is your name? Sahil, let me introduce myself to you guys. If you guys are from the 8th standard, or you are from the 9th standard, or you are from the 7th standard, let's say, so it may happen that you might not be knowing about me. So I am your chemistry master teacher, Shilpi Kaushik and Vedantu. Right, ma'am, please refresh. Okay, I'll refresh it again. Wait a minute. Is it better? That makes better? Yes. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the chat box now. Now the chat box is turned off. Yes, so let me tell you, I have completed my master's in chemistry from NIT Jalandhar. Yes, Tripura, you got it right. So you remember it, huh? Okay, so now something about the course. Something about the course. Again, let me just check it with the team. Okay, wait a minute. Let me see why. Yes, sir. I hope that we will get a teacher very soon, huh? I hope we will get a. Now my video is fine, Tushar. Yes. Chalo, so let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about your this course. What we will be studying here. Okay, so yes, because you guys don't know. Hi, Mahfouz and Sahil. Yes, so ma'am is going to tell you that this is a mixed batch. Okay, this is a mixed course. So students from the ninth and the 10th standard both can join it. Okay, do you know? Yes, Arman, baby, I remember you. Is there any quiz? There are so many quizzes, Tushar. You have to believe me. Ma'am, show your Mehndi. No, I'm not going to show you that. It's not good. Hi, Randhir. How are you? Which chapter? I'm telling you which chapter. Okay. So yes, ma'am is telling you that this is a mixed batch. Okay, so a very important information from the class 9 students is that, or any student, if you are from any junior class, then let me tell you one very basic thing. The thing is that we will be covering this chapter number 1 of class 10th class. ठीक है, so अगर आप 9th standard में हो, so let me tell you, you are taking the chapter from class 10th. If you want to still take the classes, अगर आप 10th class का chapter number 1 पढ़ना चाहते हो, you can continue with us. अगर आपको नहीं पढ़ना है, then you can leave it. Okay, so that depends on the class 9 students. So ये जो chapter है, ये आपके syllabus का नहीं है. This chapter, chemical reactions and equations, it belongs to the, yes, any guesses, class 10th. Okay, so it belongs to class 10th, and if you still want to do it, you are most welcome with ma'am. Okay, but be gentle with yourself. अगर quizzes ना आए या कुछ ना समझ आए, then tension मत लेना, ठीक है? Because class 10th का topic है. Some ups and downs you will see in the session. Okay, so let me again check it with the team that why no class teacher is still there. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, right. So I asked that why there is no class teacher. Yes, because it's ninth class only, है ना? चलो, so we are gonna start the chapter chemical reactions and equations. Today we will just be talking about the basic details, very basic and minute. If at any point you don't understand anything, then please do let me know. Okay, please do let me know. कहीं पर भी कोई problem आता है, let's try to maintain a positive environment in our class. Okay, no spamming. I guess you guys know about it. Shilpi ma'am की class में no spamming है ना? चलो, and touchwood, I've always got the nice students who understand me in a way that they don't do the spamming also. Okay, chalo, so let's start the chapter. I will be giving you the introduction of the chapter. Yuvraj, Delhi. Okay, yes. What is the strength now, Tushar? I cannot see the strength. I'm सही है. Okay, fine. It's fine. It's fine now. It's fine, है ना? Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yes, fine. Thank you for telling me, guys. चलो, so मैम आपको लेके चलेंगी chapter 2 पे, ठीक है? So I will take you on the chapter 2. What we have to discuss in this chapter. So I will be just telling you some topics. Okay, some important topics. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Tushar. Because of me, you are able to answer your school online exams. No, not because of me. Because of you. Because of your hard work. Okay, that's why. Chalo, so ma'am is gonna tell you the different parts of the chapter. The very first thing that we learn in the chemical reactions, as the name is telling you, chemical reactions and the chemical equations. So we deal with the changes. Okay, so we have the chemical changes, physical changes. So the very first thing we encounter, what kind of changes are present around us. Okay, so we have divided them into two types: physical changes, chemical changes, right? The second thing is that chemical changes lead to the chemical reactions, and a chemical reaction means a chemical equation would be there. So how do we write these chemical equations? Okay, how to write the chemical equations? That is a very important question. Not just that, let me tell you, class 9th, you have done the, yes, do you remember that beautiful guy with the curly hair? What's the name? Do you remember, sir? Yes, the father of modern chemistry, Antoine Lavoisier. Okay, so I guess you remember him and his hairstyle at least. Yes. So Sir Antoine Lavoisier gave a very beautiful law of conservation of mass. Right. So keeping that law in mind, we have another topic, that is balancing. How do we balance the chemical reactions and the equations? Okay. That is the second phase. The third very important phase of the chapter will be the types of chemical reactions. Okay, the types of chemical reactions or the chemical equations. कितने तरीके की chemical reactions है, equations है. यहाँ पर majorly the entire part is over. Okay, and the last one that we would be seeing is the corrosion. So do you even have any idea about the corrosion? What's that? And it's that really, is it bad or not? This will be the flow of the chapter. This chapter we will be doing in total 8 sessions. Right. Yes. Very good. Like rust and copper. Right. Yes, very bad. You guys saying, ma'am, very bad. Corrosion is not always bad. Point to be noted. I'll tell you in the last class. So this chapter we will do in the 8 sessions. Okay, so you just be very gentle with yourself. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे करेंगे, अच्छे से करेंगे, कोई टेंशन की बात ही नहीं है. चलो, so अगर आप 9th standard से हो तब भी मैम will make you understand. Okay, so don't worry. Please show the topics. देख लो, फिर से देख लो. So class 9 students, please have some patience. Okay, so there are some points that you would be getting difficulty in understanding. Let me see. No class teacher still. Okay, yeah. So the next thing is that I guess you have taken the screenshot, and someone from the team told me that the class teacher would be joining us soon. Let's count the time. Okay, so it's already been 14 minutes and we will see when our class teacher is going to sit. Okay, Sayankit, you are not with any YouTuber that I'm going to show you my room or my house. You are here to study, so please focus here. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, Tushar. Thank you, Tushar. So let's focus here that what exactly are the kind of changes around you. So if you look very closely, you can see 2 different kind of changes are happening around you. Look closely. What change do you see? You are drinking cold water. है ना? In summer, you are drinking ice cold water. So what are you doing? You are taking your water bottles, keeping them in the refrigerator. Oh my god, that is freezing. So what exactly are you doing? Like sometimes, when light goes away, ma'am, we have an inverter, so you guys use the inverter. जब पहले के टाइम में inverters नहीं होते थे, we used to have the candles. Okay, so candle लेकर मैंने भी बहुत पढ़ाई किया. I still remember when I was in यस व्हेन आई वाज इन हॉस्टल आई रिमेम्बर, जब मैं हॉस्टल में थी ना, हम लोग के हॉस्टल में इन्वर्टर नहीं था, ये प्रॉब्लम था. नॉट इवन इन द एनआईटी, वहां पर भी नहीं था. एंड उससे पहले आई डिड माय ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली. सो इन नन ऑफ द हॉस्टल आई गॉट द बैटरी. ठीक है, बैटरी मींस देयर वर नो इन्वर्टर. सो एंड स्पेशली एनआईटी में, आई एम टेलिंग यू, पावर कट होता ही एग्जाम के डेज में था. सो देयर वाज नो पावर कट एंड लिटरली आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ, यस, ठीक है, so I used to have a candle and then I used to like study with the help of candle. No Sankit, you are having misunderstanding. Ma'am always tell the students like that only, ठीक है. So I believe that you are my student and I have right to tell you things in a positive way, isn't it? So you guys permit me to do that, isn't it? Right guys, you give me the permission to scold you when you are doing things wrong. Do you give me the permission? Tell me. Do you give me the permission to scold you when you are not doing the right things? I have the permission, है ना? But I'm just using that, right? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. So I have the permission to scold my students when they are not doing the right thing. So I want you to focus on the screen, okay? I want you to learn it first. Room tour, I will take you any other day. I'll take you on the home tour. I have taken a few batches. Okay, there's nothing very huge in that, so we will do it. But first of all, studies, that's what you are here for, okay? So I was telling you, that's okay Shivansh sir. So guys, there you have your class teacher. You were missing your class teacher, so now we have Shivansh sir, right? He will be assisting you with your doubts. Agar koi bhi problem hai, do let us know, okay? I will be looking into it immediately. Yes, so I was telling you that we have different kind of changes. So I was telling you, when I was in hostel, so hostel mein na koi inverter nahi tha. So that was the major drawback. I was like, yeah, you are in an NIT and there is no inverter. Are you kidding me? Like for real? For real, there was no inverter. So literally, like कल हमारे major exams है and आज कोई भी like पूरे दिन रात light off है. The mobile phones are not charged, the laptops are not charged, and you have your major exam, or especially when you study one day before the night. So things become so like difficult. Like पता नहीं कैसे ही मैंने किया. I remember me and my roommate, we were having a candle, a very mini candle. So we just lit it up and through the whole night we just studied for the exam. Then we realized that you should not rely on the last moment every time, है ना? So you should always prepare for your exam in the part way, so that at least refresh it. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'm sorry, there was a bit connection error. हाँ, ठीक है. So I was telling you the whole point ये story बताने का था candle. So हम candle भी use करते हैं ना. We are burning a candle. आपने देखा होगा that it just keeps on changing its shape and finally it melts down. So you have many changes around you, that you are respiring, you are breathing, photosynthesis is happening, isn't it? So burning is happening, fossil fuels you are burning to obtain energy. So there are so many phenomena that are going around you. So those phenomena, those changes, we have categorized into two parts. The very first one are the physical changes and the second one are the chemical changes, right? So physical changes, as the name is telling you, physical, like it has something to do with your physical appearance. It may be your hair, they may be your nails, they may be your clothes, they are some physical things. It may be your height, it may be the length of the pen. So these are some physical properties, right? So in the physical changes, what happens? Change in physical properties happen and new substances are not formed, right? For example, you will understand it with the help of an example only. Let's say I am having some ice cubes. Let's say you have taken some ice cubes and I'll just ask you that you go to the refrigerator, get some ice cubes, put them on the table, like keep them on the table. So what will happen after some time? Tell me, you got some ice cubes from the refrigerator, kept that on the table. What will happen? You guys know about it. Melt, है ना? They will start melting. Exactly. क्या होगा? Ice is no longer ice. You say, अरे where is ice? अभी तो यहीं रखा था. So it's now water. So what exactly happens? Like if you are keeping ice at a higher temperature, at room temperature, ice will be converted into water, right? What exactly, if I ask you the chemical formula of ice, Can you tell me the chemical formula, chemical composition of ice? What is that? H2O. Yes, ये तो क्लास 7th की पढ़ाई है हाँ है ना, वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट इज दैट? आइस का फॉर्मूला होता है H2O. क्लास 7th यार, क्लास 7th 8 में यू गाइस नो अबाउट इट ऑलरेडी, राइट? सो वाटर H2O, दैट इज सॉलिड. एंड वाटर क्या है? वो भी तो H2O है, that is also liquid. So you tell me, when ice is converted to water, is there any new substance being formed? क्या ऐसा हुआ water alcohol में convert हो गया फ्रिज में? ऐसा तो कितना मजा आता है ना, ऐसा है ना, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है, right? So what exactly is happening? Ice is converted into liquid, so no new substance is formed. So you have to keep in mind that physical changes में क्या होता है? New substances are not formed. Right? If I say you take a pen, cut it from the middle, ठीक है, उसको बीच में से आधा तोड़ दो, what will happen? Just the length will change. Okay, the chemical composition of pen will not change. It will not become a pilot pen. It will not be converted into a red colored pen. It will still remain blue color pen, right? So these are some changes around you in which new substances are not being formed. आज तो मैं पक्का मॉड्यूलर के लिए ना वो बना लूंगी टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप. So guys, you make a group on the telegram for the modulars and add me there. Okay, so I will be joining it because I forget to create so many groups. I guess Tripura, you just told me that you will be creating a group and I was waiting for that. Modular के लिए you guys make a group and add me there, okay? But make sure you are making only one group. Chalo, so the next kind of changes are the chemical changes. Let's see photosynthesis. What exactly is happening in photosynthesis? Tell me, photosynthesis में क्या होता है? Yes, what happens in the photosynthesis? Yes, tell me. Food, Randhir, because appearance is also taken here as the physical one. ठीक है, जब तक नया substance नहीं बनेगा, it will be a physical change. ठीक है, yes, tell me, food is prepared by the leaves. Are you sure? Glucose is formed. अच्छा, but appearance is different. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. Just focus on the chemical changes first of all. Yeah, my pair, like my leg just got freezed. It's so painful. Oh my god. So yes, I was telling you, we have the chemical changes, right? Chemical changes में what happens? New substances are formed. Let's say photosynthesis. Photosynthesis में क्या होता है? Plants are taking up the carbon dioxide that you are releasing. इसीलिए plants बहुत important होते हैं because they are taking our carbon dioxide, which is increasing the global warming in the atmosphere. So that's why we should grow more and more plants, because of this photosynthesis. They are taking up carbon dioxide and water. You should always keep on watering your plants. Okay, they also need water like you. और क्या present होता है? Sunlight. They need sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, by absorbing the sunlight, what will happen? Plants prepare their food and you will be getting the glucose. So what is happening? Can I say that new substances being formed, like plants have used carbon dioxide and water? Carbon dioxide water की help से glucose बन गया. So can I say that it's a formation of a new substance? Tell me, is this formation of a new substance? Yes. Exactly, it is. Okay, there is the formation of a new substance because you are getting the glucose. So carbon dioxide in water in the presence of sunlight, and you are getting water. So guys, if you have any doubt, then please let your teacher know. So Shivansh sir is there, Sai Ankit, please let him know what exactly is the doubt that you are facing. Okay, so you have seen, you have the physical changes, you have the chemical changes, right? So physical में new substances नहीं बनते हैं, केमिकल में बनते हैं. So overall, if I look, what is the major difference between the two changes? The major difference between the two changes is formation of a new substance. Okay, so what exactly is the major difference between the physical and chemical changes? The formation of the new substance that is formed in the chemical changes. फिजिकल में नहीं बनता है। ओके देखो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को डाउट है कि मैम व्हेन यू आर सेइंग आइस इज कन्वर्टेड टू वाटर, हाउ इट इज अ फिजिकल चेंज व्हेन अपीयरेंस ऑफ लाइक ice is changing, ice has a different appearance and water has a different appearance, है ना? So that is what I am telling you, ये appearance ही तो physical property होता है। So chemical change कोई change तब तक नहीं होगा when you are not getting any new substance। Okay, so the primary condition for a change to be chemical is that there should be the formation of new substance, point to be noted, ठीक है? So अगर किसी भी केस में कभी भी कोई confusion होगा whether it is a physical change or chemical, first of all you will think new substance, क्या नया substance बना है उस change में, is there any formation of the new substance, right? So you will be getting your answer right away, right? So keep this condition in mind, there should be the formation of the new substance, right? Okay, so that's what, and let me show you more differences more differences। देखो it is written clearly, पहला ही point क्या है, new substances are not formed in the physical changes, they are often reversible, it means they can be reversed। कैसे reversed? You were getting ice to water, you were converting it, then you just again take the water bottle, keep it in the refrigerator, you will get your ice back वापस, ठीक है? आइस से वाटर, वाटर से आइस, आइस से वाटर, वाटर से आइस, so these are the reversible things। So physical changes often, not always, point to be noted, not always, they are not reversible always, right? Okay, so yes, देखो it is written in the last point, composition of matter remains the same, composition, ice was also H2O and water is also H2O, composition of matter remains the same। Okay, these are some important points that you have to keep in mind about the chemical change, that would be reversed, right? That is the very first thing। Now the next thing, how can you tell me whether a chemical reaction has taken place or not? Any ideas? Yes, any ideas? Any ideas? Tell me. Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas? Yes? Yes, yes, yes. So, sir, Shivansh, sir, can you please look into these doubts? Randhir and Sayankit are having some doubts. Please look into that. They are from the junior classes. They are from the 9th standard classes. So, they will be having some issues in understanding for sure. So, we need to put more effort here, right? So, Shivansh, sir, I hope you are there. And you can see these messages that these Randhir and I guess they are having the doubt. Randhir, मैंने आपके doubt का answer अब भी दिया है, baby. In the last slide, I told you कि major condition होता है formation of the new substance, right? Chalo, now let's go to the next thing। So guys, see what Shivansh sir is saying, please read that message। Ma'am, please tell them to ask, they have not asked me, so please you can do that part। You are having a class teacher, why are you not taking the advantage? देखो जब मैं chat box on करती हूँ, so I get the messages very fast, ठीक है? So मेरे end पे कैसा show होता है, एक मैसेज आया गया, एक मैसेज आया गया, so मुझे नाम भी नहीं दिखता ठीक से, ठीक है? So it becomes very difficult for me, इसीलिए we have the class teachers for you, because the teacher is not able to take all the doubts, because that they are not visible। It's not that I cannot take it, I don't want to take it, it's because it's not visible on my end, ठीक है? So that's why we have the class teachers, they will be helping you out। फिर भी if you are not satisfied, then do let me know at the end of the session, right? Also, whenever you are having doubts, make sure you are not missing the main topic, ठीक है? जो मैम बताती हैं वो भी आपको सुनना होता है, otherwise you will be missing that point, right? So try to balance both the things। Okay, so the next point is that how can you identify that a chemical change has taken place? Like you have seen there are two kinds of changes, है ना? What are those two kinds of changes? We have seen we are having the physical changes, we are having the chemical changes। Now the thing about chemical changes is that chemical change जब भी होगा, whenever a chemical change will be taking place, it will be leading to the formation of a new substance। Okay, जब भी chemical change होगा, there will always be a chemical reaction। एक chemical reaction हमेशा होगा। Like I'm saying, photosynthesis is happening, so I can represent that change with the help of a chemical reaction। Okay, so let's say that I am doing the respiration, I can give an equation for that respiration. I am saying that grapes are converted to wine. उसके लिए भी एक equation होगा, ठीक है? So every chemical change will be leading to a chemical reaction or a chemical equation, ठीक है? अब वही पढ़ना है that how can you determine that a chemical change has taken place. Like you are sitting in the lab, ठीक है? आप lab में बैठे हैं, you are doing a reaction. How will you identify that this reaction is a chemical change, this is not? So we have certain factors, ठीक है? कुछ चीजें हैं उसके लिए that I will be sharing with you. If any of these 4 things happen with you in the laboratory, then you can say, ma'am, a chemical change has now taken place. So you can identify a chemical change by certain things. What are those certain things? First of all, we are having change in color, ठीक है? अगर कलर का चेंज होता है रिएक्शन में, यू कैन से दैट अ केमिकल चेंज हैज टेकन प्लेस. देखो आज का जो सेशन है ना वो है इंट्रोडक्शन. व्हाट इज द टुडे सेशन ऑल अबाउट? इंट्रोडक्शन टू द चैप्टर. सो मैं कोई भी टॉपिक डिटेल में नहीं करूंगी, हमें ये सारे टॉपिक्स वी विल बी डूइंग इन डिटेल इन द अपकमिंग क्लासेस. इट्स जस्ट एन इंट्रो पार्ट, ठीक है? सो वेयर आई हैव टू जस्ट लेट यू नो अबाउट द टॉपिक्स, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर द टॉपिक्स दैट वी विल बी डूइंग इन द अपकमिंग classes. So it's just an extra session that I have got scheduled because students are from all the classes here. So I wanted you to be aware of the flow of the class. Okay, that's how the classes will be there. So I hope so that you can get comfortable. ऐसा ना हो मैम क्या चल रहा है समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, what is happening, right? So it's not that difficult, very easy. So what are the things by which you can say that a chemical change has taken place? Like there can be a change in color, okay, along with the formation of new substance. New substance तो गांठ बांध के लिख लो यहाँ पर, ठीक है? ऐसे मत बोला मैम कलर चेंज तो फिजिकल चेंज में भी हो सकता है, लेकिन फॉर्मेशन along with the formation of new substance, right? There will be an evolution of gas along with the formation of new substance. There can be a change in temperature along with the formation of, complete the statement, there can be a change in temperature along with the formation of, yes, complete it, along with the formation of, acha short form hai NS, new substance, right? Very good, so intelligent. So along with the formation of new substance nahi bhulna hai, otherwise confuse ho jaoge, right? Formation of precipitate. क्या होता है precipitate? I'll tell you, right? Don't worry. So along with the formation of, yes, tell me, formation of precipitate can happen along with the formation of new substance. Exactly. Yes. Okay. Right. The next thing are these that you have to keep in mind, ठीक है? So how can you tell that a chemical reaction has taken place? या तो color change हो सकता है along with the formation of new substances hidden, ठीक है? किसी को मत बताना, वो भी हो सकता है. Second, evolution of a gas. चलो एक example देती हूँ एक activity का, evolution of a gas. चलो let's see, you have taken some zinc solid, ठीक है? कुछ जिंक का थोड़ा सा हम ग्रेन्यूल्स देंगे, थोड़े से पीसेस, वेरी फ्यू पीसेस ऑफ जिंक, राइट? आई हैव टेकन एंड आई विल बी एडिंग इट टू हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. हैव यू सीन हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड? कहाँ देखा है बताओ? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड कहाँ देखा है? वेयर यू हैव सीन इट? यस, टेल मी वेयर यू हैव सीन इट. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इन हार्पिक. अच्छा, लैब में देखा है, लैब में भी गए हो? Wow, that's amazing. Science book. See, hydrochloric acid. Touch your stomach right now. Touch your stomach. Can you feel? You have hydrochloric acid in your stomach, ठीक है? स्टमक के आपके टमी के अंदर होता है HCl. So your stomach releases the hydrochloric acid, ठीक है? So you have an acid right there in your stomach. You have hydrochloric acid. Yes, in lab also you will see it obviously. So when you add hydrochloric acid to some zinc powder, what will happen? Immediately you will see some gas bubbles are coming up. You will also hear some pop-up sound will be there, and you can see some bubbles are coming. What is that? Can you tell me what gas is released here when zinc is added to hydrochloric acid? What exactly? H? Baby, it's not H. ठीक है, you should write H2. H कुछ भी नहीं होता. H is an atom, right? हाँ, H अगर आप लिखते हो इसका मतलब वो एक एटम है, लेकिन हाइड्रोजन गैस, yes, that will be in H2 form. राइट, वेरी गुड युवराज. वाटर नहीं बनेगा, देखो ऑक्सीजन तो है ही नहीं, वाटर कैसे बनेगा? सो केमिकल चेंजेस रिएक्शंस में देयर इज ओनली रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ एटम्स. ठीक है, ये बात ध्यान रखना. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंस इन द केमिकल रिएक्शंस? देयर इज जस्ट द रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ एटम्स. सो यू कैन नॉट ऐड एनी एटम फ्रॉम योर साइड. अभी देखो वाटर कैसे बनेगा यहाँ पर? यू वर नॉट हैविंग ऑक्सीजन इन द रिएक्टेंट्स, हाउ विल you get water? You only have to do the rearrangement. You don't have to just add any external atom from your side. You're saying ma'am water, oxygen भी तो होना चाहिए water के लिए, वो तो आपने लिया ही नहीं, right? So it's just the rearrangement that happens. So what exactly happened? We will discuss this reaction in detail. It's a displacement reaction. So यहाँ पर you would be getting the zinc chloride, that is the salt, metal chloride, and along with the liberation of hydrogen gas. So ये hydrogen gas जो होता है, it burns with a pop-up sound. So you just take a matchstick, burn it and bring it closer to the hydrogen gas. Whoosh. So you have to do it from the distance. Okay, so you have to keep in mind. So yes, we will be getting hydrogen gas. So what is happening? Evolution of gas. So you will say ma'am, evolution of gas along with the formation of new substances. So this is a chemical change, right? You have to keep in mind that this is a chemical change. So these are the certain things that can help you to decide that a chemical reaction has taken place or not. Now, how do we write the chemical reactions? Dekho, how do we write the chemical reactions? Reactants are always written on the left hand side, and products are always written on the right hand side. So reactants कौन होते हैं? They are the old substances, old B's. So they are the old substances. Products कौन है? They are the new substances, right? I will ask you some questions. Wait a minute. Let me just check. Okay, so ma'am will be just asking a few questions from you. Let's say I have prepared hydrogen, oxygen I have combined in the presence of an electric arc, and I have got water, right? So you tell me hydrogen and oxygen, they are the new substances or they are the old substances? Tell me, H2 and O2, are they new substances or they are old substances? Yes? Tell me, yes. All substances. Okay, ये कौन है? H2 and O2, they are the old substances, right? All substances which are reacting, which are combining with each other to give you new substances. So they are the reactants written on the left hand side. And H2O क्या है? It is a new substance, right? So the product which is formed in the reaction, and so we call it products, right? So reactants to the products we are having. Chalo, so I guess you won't be confused now, है ना? You can easily identify it, right? So next thing, how do we represent a chemical reaction? बताओ, chemical reaction को मैम ने बताया था आपको that if any chemical changes happening around you, if any chemical change is happening, then a chemical change will be leading to the formation of a chemical reaction. ठीक है? और केमिकल रिएक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ द chemical equation. Generally, some general representation are there on your screen. Word equation. So word equation देखो दो तरह से हो सकती है. Word equation. Let me just add a slide here. Yeah. So how can we write the word equation? Let's say we are having zinc is added to hydrochloric acid. ठीक है, zinc is added to hydrochloric acid, and we are getting zinc chloride, and we are getting, I'm just speaking, zinc is added to hydrochloric acid, and on doing this reaction you are getting hydrogen gas along with the zinc chloride. So ये क्या हुआ? I am writing it in the word form. So this is a word equation. Rather, word equation can also be written as, if I just write it as zinc plus hydrochloric acid, or you can just like it, okay, hydrochloric acid is giving you zinc chloride. Like you have to write pure naam, okay, word, all the words you are using, zinc chloride and plus hydrogen gas. Oh my god, thank god we have something called as symbols, we have something called as formulas, otherwise itni badi reaction kaun likhta hai na. So you are having hydrogen gas. So ये वाली फॉर्म क्या है? These are the word equations. When you are writing it पूरा नाम, you are just writing it all the words that are appearing there. ठीक है? That is the word equation. And the second thing that you can see, समझ आया word equation क्या? You are just writing everything. Second, like you are having your complete name. If you have seen that Dhamal movie, that's Dhamal, I guess, है ना? Dhamal में there's a guy who's driving the car. I guess he's South Indian. What is your name? वो कुछ ऐसे होता है, चिन्ना स्वामी, something like that, है ना? चिन्ना स्वामी, मुत्तु स्वामी अय्यर, हाँ, राम गोपाल अय्यर, है ना? So he's having such a big name. Have you seen that movie? Ram Gopal Iyer. What is the name? Iyer. Then Ram Gopal Iyer. थोड़ी देर बाद the name keeps on, है ना? हाँ, Venu Gopal Iyer. Something like that. I just, हाँ, है ना? वो होता है. So what is that? पूरा वर्ड इक्वेशन की तरह, लाइक यार कोई निकनेम नहीं है क्या? दैट यू आर हैविंग अय्यर, तो आई राम गोपाल अय्यर, आर आई, लाइक व्हाटएवर, यू मस्ट हैव अ निकनेम. सो वही क्या होता है? दे आर द केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज. So chemical formulas is a short representation. Okay, it will be a short representation. For example, you are having zinc के लिए I will be using the symbol Zn. Okay, hydrochloric acid I will be using HCl, which is the formula, and now I will be getting zinc chloride. I will use its chemical formula ZnCl2, and hydrogen gas is H2. So ये कौन सा representation है? Shorter one, है ना? Like if you are having such a big name, Iyer, Gopal Iyer, and you are just shortening it. So if your name is Mahfouz, maybe your mom can call you Mahi, है ना? Something like some short names. So chemical formulas and equations, this is the second way of writing the chemical equations, and they are definitely time they will be saving. So I often use the word consuming है. So काफी time बचाते हैं. So they are quite time saving. So we always prefer to use the chemical formulas or the equations for writing them. Okay. So exam में generally आता है word equation. Out of the word equation you have to form a chemical equation using the formulas. So उसके लिए you should practice some basic chemical formulas of the compounds that you have done in the 9th standard, atoms and molecules. If you remember, वहाँ पर सीखा था ना, how do we calculate the valency and the charges, how do we use the criss-cross method, उसका use होता है यहाँ पर. Okay, so this thing we have already seen. How do we write a chemical equation? Reactants are written on the left hand side, products are written on the right hand side, and they are linked with the plus sign. For example, zinc is reacting with hydrochloric acid, and we are getting zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas. So zinc and HCl are written on the left hand side. So they are, अरे highlighter कहाँ से आया? अपने आप, एक जब चाहिए होता है तब highlighter नहीं चलता, अब भी आ गया. Zinc plus HCl, they are your old substances written on left. And these two, they are the new substances, the products, they are written on the right hand side. Okay, so they are the products. Plus क्या है? It means they are reacting together and they are being formed. Arrow means the reaction is going in this direction. Right, the products are being formed. Right. This was a very generic thing to how do you write the chemical equation. Now very important thing. देखो, how to make the reaction more informative. Let's see, I have written, say, ठीक है, I am writing the equation. एक छोटा सा reaction लिखेंगे, फिर से मैं लिखती हूँ red pencil so that you can see it clearly. I am writing an equation. Zinc is reacting with HCl to give you zinc chloride and hydrogen. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, if you look closely, this reaction is not much informative to you, है ना? reaction किसी काम का नहीं है. If I will give you this reaction and I will say that in what state zinc is present, क्या zinc है solid state में, liquid में, gas में? Can you tell me? It is not written there. ठीक है. If I ask you, okay, चलो hydrogen तो पता होगा, I ask you HCl. HCl is also present in the gaseous state and in the liquid. यहाँ पर कौन सा HCl use किया है? So reaction is not telling you about the state of the substance, है ना? For example, if I write a reaction, hydrogen and oxygen are reacting to form water. You know that water can exist in all the three states: solid, liquid, gases. So a reaction should tell you what is the state of the substance. Like किस स्टेट में आप उसे कंबाइन कर रहे हो. वाटर हेयर इज सॉलिड, लिक्विड और it is a gas, right? So we have certain denominations. Why? To make the reaction more informative, right? For example, S. आपने देखा होगा books में, have you seen it? It's written in the chemical reaction. Like if you are having a look at it, let me insert a slide. Yeah. So you will see often things like zinc. Bracket में you can see S. Have you seen something like that? HCl bracket में AQ they have written. Have you seen these things? Tell me in the book. Have you looked closely? You will be getting zinc bracket में you are getting the S. HCl bracket में you can see AQ is there, है ना? You might have seen it. Yeah. Why they have written like that? Because S is telling you. S is not for any, like you think. S is not representing any random thing. ऐसे ही नहीं लगाया फालतू में. So S is telling you that zinc is present in solid state. So when you are doing the reaction, you have to take zinc in the solid form, right? AQ is telling you that HCl is present in aqueous state. Aqueous state क्या होता है? When I am taking HCl and adding it to the water. ठीक है. So किसी भी चीज का solution in water, that is the aqueous solution. Like I am saying copper sulfate aqueous. So take some copper sulfate powder, add it to water, that will be copper sulfate aqueous, right? So HCl aqueous means पानी में, पानी के अंदर थोड़ा सा acid है. This is the aqueous. So these states are representing you. So you can see on the screen, solid state is represented by denomination S, liquid by L, gaseous G, and you have upward arrow. If you know that hydrogen, जब मैंने लिखा था, I was just making an upward arrow. So upward arrow is used for the gases. So whenever a gas is evolved in the reaction, like chlorine gas, upward arrow. So upward arrow is used to represent the gas. Like अगर मैंने लिखा that O2 gas, it would be represented upward arrow. It means it is a gas. It is just going away. ठीक है, right? Sulfur dioxide, upward arrow. Upward means sulfur dioxide is a gas and it's going away, right? And downward arrow is for the precipitates. I'll tell you in the next class. ठीक है, what exactly? AQ मैम ने बता दिया. Solution in the water when you are taking something and just adding it to water. I guess now we should take some questions. That's enough of theory, isn't it? चलो देखेंगे कुछ questions. Where exactly are our questions? I need to just get them out for you. All the questions are just mixed up. Ma'am needs to be very careful which question to show you and which to not. Okay, so yes, this question is for you. The very first question, I am sure that you all are ready. We have just done the physical changes, chemical changes, formation of the new substance is the major difference. Next we saw what exactly are the factors that will be letting you know that a chemical reaction has taken place. There may be an evolution of a gas, there may be a color change, there may be a formation of precipitate, there may be a temperature change. So these are certain things that let you know that now a chemical reaction has taken place, right? चलो एक question देखेंगे सबसे पहले screen पर, then we will do the chapter in the next class. Okay, question is saying what is the basic difference between the physical change and the chemical change? Oh my god, you have done it. What is the basic difference between physical change and the chemical change? Let me see how many of you remember. Ma'am told you two types of changes, PC and CC. So you tell me difference क्या था दोनों के बीच का? What was the difference? Formation of a mixture, formation of a solution, formation of a new substance, formation of a gas. ठीक है, what is the difference between PC and the CC? Major difference. The very first thing that should come to your mind, अच्छा ये condition है. So that thing. ठीक है, give me a thumbs up when you are ready. We will start the question when you are done. Like, yes, ma'am, I am prepared now. Now I am ready. You start it. Let me see how my students Priya, Vikas, Shivangi, Gaurang. Gaurang, you are back with your name, huh? Okay, I thought you are just roaming around with the Doraemon name or with Nobita, something like that. I really thought that. Mrunal, that's Mrunal. Okay, that's a nice name. And let me see who are the other students. I don't know about Satvik, Divya, Adi, Yuvraj, Latha, Sahil, Akib, Tushar, Vismay, Samisha, Mansi. Okay, there are many names. Like I'm having some throat issues, so let's start it. Okay, I will take the other names also. You have 30 seconds. 3, 2, there we go. Please mark it. Yes, अब मैं ऊपर से नाम देखती हूँ. We have Nehra. PUP was that name? Chandan, है ना? Chandan, that's a quite creative name. I cannot read it clearly. Yog Sakshi, acha again. Sayankit, I don't know about him now. महफूज, पूनम, पायल, रणधीर, सूरज, शाविन, विक्रम. अच्छा, ये सब मेरे you all are the old students, है ना? And Mansi, Samisha. Okay. Yes, guys, a few students are left. Please mark it. Please mark your answers. Let's see, can we take it above 70? Keeping in mind, students are from the 9th standard also. And the 8th standard, UV, what do you have marked? I guess you have marked the gas, है ना? अच्छा, गैस किसी ने भी नहीं किया. We took it above 90, guys. This is for the first time. You are from the 8th standard. You are from the 9th standard. So you should round of applause. And for my 10th also, big round of applause. That's amazing. Let me see formation of mixture solution. So I guess 9th class के students ने किया होगा mixture solution. वो ज़्यादा पढ़ते हैं ना इस matter around us pure में. They are studying the mixtures only and the solutions, isn't it? So yes, the major difference, ma'am told you, कुछ भी बात हो, अगर किसी भी चीज को decide करना है, कैसा change है, first thing that should come to your mind is the formation of a new substance, right? अगर होता है, if there is a formation of new substance, that will be the chemical change. अगर नहीं होता, that is the physical change. वो एक major difference होता है, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Where is our next question? Yeah, there we go. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to zinc granules? अरे ये क्या हुआ? Let me just write the equation for you. देखो, dilute HCl को add किया है किसमें? Zinc granules. So zinc granules are just the zinc pieces, छोटे छोटे. Zinc in solid state is there. Okay, reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute means water is also there, so it's in aqueous state. You get two products, out of which one is what you have to identify, right? So the question is saying what happens when dilute HCl is added to zinc granules. First of all, make the products. उसके बाद देखो, option number 1 is saying zinc surface become dull and black. Second option, a gas is evolved which burns with a pop-up sound. ऐसे. Third, the solution remains colorless. Fourth, solution becomes green in color. मतलब जबरदस्ती, हाँ. So yes, you have to decide. Please अपनी ज़्यादा knowledge मत use करना. Try to use what I have told you. Try to use the information that ma'am gave you. So either zinc surface becomes dull or black, or you get a gas with the pop-up sound, or the solution is colorless, or solution becomes green. Out of nowhere in the world, your solution is becoming green. So you have to tell me, give me the thumbs up when you are ready, and then we will just rock it. Yes, very good. सोचो इसके बारे में. Think about it. You can get it right, I know. Think about it. चलो शुरू करते हैं in 3, 2, and there we go. अरे इतनी उल्टी पुल्टी गड़बड़, अपना दिमाग लगाया है ना? लाइक अरे मैम, तुषार बेस्ट बॉलर इन द वर्ल्ड. मैंने बोला था Dale Steyn से भी अच्छा. Like he's my favorite. I like Dale Steyn from South Africa. Like he's my favorite. After Brettley, I just had a crush on Dale Steyn. So I just keep on stalking him at the Instagram and everywhere. I'm like, you know what he's after. So you're better than Dale Steyn, है ना? I know you would be there. You must be there. Yes, very good guys. Let's see. अब तो कर दिया गलत. इतने सारे लोग ने उल्टा पुल्टा कर दिया. Mrunal, what do you have marked? I wanna see. Still, we took it above 80. That's fantastic, guys. That's fantastic. One student has marked it A and another one C. Zinc surface becomes dull and black. Because पता है कैसे लगा होगा? एसिड में डाला है यार जिंक को. ऐसे थोड़ी ना एसिड कुछ तो करेगा. acid will make the zinc surface dull and black. Yes, it must happen. Okay, solution remains colorless. हाँ ये भी था है ना, solution was also colorless. Okay, so what exactly happened? That you have to just identify first of all gas वाला point given था clearly. It was given a gas is evolved which burns with a pop-up sound. Pop-up sound, yes, जैसे ही the moment you are adding zinc and HCl, immediately color, dull, black, these things are something which takes time. Immediately you will be getting a gas. बिल्कुल जैसे ही add किया, just you do it from the distance, immediately you will get the gas. And you just take a matchstick, मैंने बताया था एक matchstick लो, जलाओ से, bring it closer to the mouth of the test tube in which you are doing the reaction. You just get more like pop-up sound there, right? So what exactly do you get here in the reaction? Zinc plus HCl will be giving you zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. How to make ma'am angry? That's not possible for you. Chalo, the next thing I was telling you, एक और question करते हैं, ठीक है? I will be just asking you. The question is saying identify the reactants. Identify the reactants. Okay, I am making a question for you, so let's take one more question. It's not added here, so I will be okay. So I'm just writing a reaction. Carbon. No, let me take a better reaction. Something else. We can just take it. Zinc is reacting with nitric acid dilute, and you are getting zinc nitrate, nitrogen dioxide, and water. Okay. So आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं रिएक्टेंट्स. द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मैम इज टेलिंग यू जिंक एंड NO2, सेकेंड जिंक एंड HNO3, थर्ड इज HNO3 and zinc nitrate, that is ZnNO3 2, fourth is none of these. ठीक है, got the question? Identify the reactants. I have just written a reaction in front of you. I have given you some options also. 4 options. You have to choose the reactants. I don't know what are reactants. मुझे दो चीजें होती है, एक reactants होते हैं, एक products होते हैं. कौन क्या है मुझे नहीं पता. You have to decide. Give me a thumbs up when you are ready. Yes? Reactants you have to identify. Let's take it. So I am just going to start the question in 3, 2, attack. Go for it. अरे 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 गड़बड़, इतनी सारी गड़बड़ हो गई. I thought ये क्वेश्चन में तो 90 प्लस होगा रिजल्ट. हाँ, yes, really? Samisha, what you marked? Okay. Then UV, you have also marked the one. Sakshi, you have also marked it different. Gaurang, अरे Gaurang like 10th में 10 बार पढ़ के थप्पड़ आएगा, like virtual थप्पड़ from ma'am. हाँ, 10th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स तो नहीं गलत करो एटलीस्ट. चलो 8th के 9th के करते हैं तो मतलब है, लेकिन आप लोग क्यों करें? यू डन इट 100 टाइम्स. साहिल एंड ओके चंदन है ना, यू मार्क्ड इट. ओ माय गुडनेस गाइस, ये क्या किया? सी मार्क किया. सी में क्या है ऐसा? नाइट्रिक एसिड. अच्छा, नाइट्रिक एसिड यहाँ है, जिंक नाइट्रेट. सो रिएक्टेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन डिफरेंट साइड्स. हाउ दे विल रिएक्ट? बताओ, अगर रिएक्टेंट इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द 2 डिफरेंट साइड्स, बनेंगे कैसे? हाउ विल दे रिएक्ट विद ईच अदर? सो रिएक्टेंट्स कौन होते हैं? दे आर द नेम इज टेलिंग यू रिएक्ट, the species which are reacting with each other. ठीक है, old substances, so they are reacting with each other. So you can see here zinc and nitric acid are reacting with each other. So they are just reacting with each other, and you are getting what? Zinc and HNO3 as the reactant. ये तीनों क्या है? They are the product. Like फंस गए. ठीक है, these are the products, right? So you have to keep this thing in mind. चलो, so please do revise your notes. Next class में आने से पहले, next class में we will be just starting the chapter actually. Okay, so this is the leaderboard. I'm going to turn on the chat box. So we have Payal, Mansi, Randhir, Vismay, Sharwin, Aditya, Adi, Shivangi, Brunal, and then Sayankit, Kanti mein Yug, Gaurang, Vikram, Poonam, and Latha. Okay, show some hairstyles. हाँ, so मैम को खुद हेयर स्टाइल नहीं याद है. मैं जब से ग्रेजुएशन में आई हूँ, मेरा एक ही हेयर स्टाइल है, like right from the graduation. कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर दिया. अच्छा, दैट वाज नॉट अ हॉटस्पॉट, मैंने उसी में एडिट किया था. यू आर फ्रॉम क्लास 8. ओके, वेरी गुड. अरे आदि ने पूरा नाम दे दिया. हाँ, आई कैन नॉट इवन से दो साउथ इंडियन नेम, मुझे अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस करने भी नहीं आते हैं. दैट्स अमेजिंग, दैट्स अमेजिंग. show you my room. I'll show you my room in the last class. ठीक है. कॉपी पेस्ट मारा है मुझे. हाँ, मुझे पता है कॉपी पेस्ट किया है. I'll show you my room in the last class. Okay, last class में. I am from 9th. Okay, so you guys are from 8th and 9th. Baby, I know you are from the 8th and 9th. इसीलिए मैंने बोला है be gentle on yourself. ठीक है. अगर कोई पार्ट नहीं समझ आया, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं बेबी. That's okay, that's okay. कोई बात नहीं. देखो देखो, important चीज क्या होती है? You are trying. सब कुछ वही होता है. पार्टिसिपेशन इज एवरीथिंग. आई ऑलवेज से पार्टिसिपेशन इज द की टू सक्सेस, राइट? सो यू शुड ऑलवेज ओवरकम योर फियर एंड यू शुड पार्टिसिपेट एवरीवेयर. चाहे नहीं आता, आता है, डजंट मैटर एट ऑल. द फर्स्ट स्टेप यू टेक, participate in everything. Okay, so I'll see you in the next session, and do share your feedback with us after the class. And I will be making a group, right? I'll make a group for the modulars and I'll share the link with you in the next class. That will be tomorrow, I guess, right guys? So please do do revise your notes. That's a कोई बात नहीं Gaurang, it's okay. ठीक है. So I'll see you in the next session, right guys? Thank you Shivansh sir for being with us in the session. मैम आज भी नंबर, yes आदि, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास में पक्का. Okay, so I'll see you in the next session guys, and yes, celebrate the festival, have fun and be gentle on yourself. ठीक है, ज्यादा harsh मत हुआ करो. चलो, so I'll see you in the next session, right guys? Bye. Thank you so much Shivangi. Thank you ma'am. My name is so much less. I अंकित, speed होती है. ठीक है, speed भी कोई चीज होती है. You have to be very. If you have no sister, then ask your mom to tie a rakhi on your hand. ठीक है. Okay, chalo. So I'll see you in the next session, guys. Till then, take